Hello from Slovenia again. In my previous video I did that flower that it's really easy. You can pour just some paint in the middle, blow it straight down and create some nice flower. Today I will use 12 by 12 inch canvas, so it will be a little bigger. This is reused canvas. I just painted a little white on top and all my paints. This is not a bloom, this is not a bloom mixture. These paints are all mixed with my pouring medium, that it's Bessner acrylic binder and acrylic emulsion. So all the paints are mixed the same. The effects that I expect are from my pearl white that I will use and from the blow. Not necessarily go for, you know, that kind of a bloom look, or how can I say, it's just not a bloom. Because I'm just not good at blooms. I'm not a bloom person. I love them, but just not my cup of tea. I can't produce a nice bloom. Okay, so this is just titanium white, and first I will put down a puddle of my pearl white to have some effects, and I will maybe pour a little around there too to have maybe some effects there too. I don't know, I'm just playing. So first I will put down this metallic turquoise. It's just a mixture of all kind of turquoise shades. And I don't go for a big flower, want some negative space. And then I will add this diox purple. This is dioxazine purple on top. And this is, I think, abalone, or it's algae from the last, I think it's algae. This little piggy pigments, algae, I believe. And then I have some Prussian phthalo by Amsterdam. And then I will add, I have a little bit of flamingo, these little piggy pigments. This is color shifty pigments. I really like it. It shifts from pink to green. And now I will add some pearl white again. And I think that I want to add a little more of diox purple. And a little bit of pearl white again, and I will do gold on top. I did black last time and I love it. Maybe I will, I don't know, do it again if this will not work. So now I will blow just straight down fast with a pressure, or how can I say? I do this when I try my pearl white mixture down up. If I blow and it sells, it's good for my reverse flower dips. So this is my way to do it, and you can see all kind of other artists do kind of a similar thing. So okay, and So my flower is in the middle. It's kind of small, but it should grow a little bit when I will spin this out. Okie doke, so let's spin this out. I'm not sure if I like this part here, so I will just dip my finger in. But the flower looks cool. And I'm expecting a little more effects when this paint will spread out. We will see. Not sure about my flower this time. Maybe I shouldn't have blown that out, should have left it, so hey, I will just pour a little more white here and do one on top. Let's do this turquoise first, and then some pearl white, and I will add pearl white around too. Purple, Solgi, and I will add some pearl white here too. And let's go with flamingo. And this phthalo blue. Pearl white, and gold. And maybe I will just add a drop of black on top, that gold. Just for the definition, hopefully, I don't know. Oh, and this time I didn't blow it, okay. So here she is. We don't see much of the piggies, but I can see where they are and I know how they will shine. But there is a lot of beautiful stuff. Here is that flamingo. Like the middle, I didn't do the best job with blowing it out. There is, sorry, there is quite a lot of beautiful. This is the part that I didn't like. This cell is so cool on the one. Here, look at this one. So cute. So I will definitely play some more. It's not a flower even anymore with this technique because I love it. And I love that it's simple, so you can definitely use just floral for this technique and you will definitely get some effects. See this flower look, it's not a good one because I would love to have more of those petals, you know, but it's okay, I think. Okie doke, so stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry. Not exactly what I was going for. The colors are gorgeous. And I love these gold lines. And the shimmer from algae. And the gold. But I don't know. Not bad, but I was hoping for more of a flower shape. And I didn't manage to get it this time. I love this kind of thing, you know, and I was hoping for this to be all around here. So I have to practice more to get that look that I'm going for. But it's not bad. So have a nice holidays, upcoming holidays, and Merry Christmas. See you on the next one. Bye.